Microsoft just released a groundbreaking research on how AI will impact human work. For the first time, they used real world data from 200K conversations to measure which professions are most exposed. And here are the shocking part: jobs like customer service, data science, and programming are right at the top of the list of those most threatened by AI. So, what does this mean for future of work and for your career? Let's dive in. Will AI take your job or make you 10x more powerful? Microsoft just analyzed 200K real conversation with its AI copilot, and the results are eye-opening. In this video, I will break down which jobs are most at risk, which are safest, and why this divide exists. Let's understand why this study matters. Generative AI is spreading faster than any technology in history, even faster than the internet. Nearly 40% Americans are already using it at home or work. Think about that. Just like the steam engine reshaped factories and the internet reshaped offices, AI is about to reshape how we all work. The question is, what does that mean for your job? Here is what makes this study so powerful. Unlike speculation, Microsoft looked at 200K anonymized real conversations between humans and AI. Every conversation was mapped to US job activities using the government official ONET database. They broke it down into two parts: user goal, what people wanted to do, and the AI action, what the AI actually did. That is how they measured AI's real overlap with human work. For example, let's say you want to write a report, that's your goal. The AI jumps in and helps you to edit and refine your draft. Then Microsoft measured, did AI actually complete the task? Did the human like it? And finally, how much of the overlap work activity could AI cover? They rolled all this into what they call an AI applicability score. So, where does AI shine the brightest? Three areas: gathering information, like a super fast researcher, writing and editing, from essays to reports, it polishes and structures content, explaining and advising, giving clear, structured answers, almost like a coach or a consultant. In other words, AI is becoming your researcher, your editor, and your advisor. Now let's talk jobs. Which professions overlap most with AI? Writers, translators, journalists, customer service agents, sales representatives, even data scientists and programmers, and PR specialists. These are the roles where communication, information, and text dominate. That is AI's sweet spot. But here is the flip side: some jobs are barely touched by AI. Roofers, truck drivers, construction workers, cleaners, and nursing assistants. Why? Because these jobs depend on physical skills, manual dexterity, or human care. AI can suggest how to patch a roof, but it cannot climb up there and do it. So, why this sharp divide? Simple. AI thrives in the world of knowledge and words, but it struggles in the world of hands and human touch. It's brilliant at information, but it cannot hammer a nail, drive a truck, or hold someone's hand at the hospital bedside. And here is the key insight: AI is not just about replacing jobs, it's more about augmenting jobs. Think about bank tellers. ATM did not kill them. Instead, their work shifted to higher value tasks. The same is happening here. AI becomes an assistant, like a super smart intern, helping you do more faster. So, what does this mean for you? If you are in communication heavy or knowledge driven roles, expect rapid changes. You will need to adapt and learn to work alongside AI. Manual jobs are safer for now, but the future always brings surprises. And remember, most jobs we have today did not even exist 100 years ago. AI will create new roles we cannot yet imagine. Thank you for watching and follow LearnNudge for everything happening around AI.